absolutely do not like a fried egg with crunchy edges. So for those of you who work at Waffle House, which I love some Waffle House, and you kind of struggle with your egg, I want to show you how to make the near perfect egg. It's not going to look perfect exactly, but the edges will be nice and smooth. Because if I want something crunchy, I'll get bacon or I'll get toast. But I absolutely do not want a crunchy egg. So take a look at this video and see what you can learn. There's one secret: butter. Okay? You have enough butter, you have enough oil, coconut oil, olive oil, or butter. If you have enough of this, you can fry the perfect egg. Starting out, simple as all get out. You would put your heat, not medium, but like right below medium. This is easy, anyone can do this. When I first got married, I could not boil an egg. I had to call a guy friend to tell me how to boil an egg. I did go to culinary school because I just didn't know how to do anything. But this was one of the first things they taught us. Super easy. Take your butter, put it in like this. But you definitely want plenty of butter. Right here, see that? Yes, lots of butter. Swish it around. Take an egg. It does not matter if your egg is right out the fridge or it's been kept at room temperature. Everyone says, oh, it's better this way, that way. Listen, for those of us who are on the go and in a hurry, the last thing we need to worry about is, oh, I have to let the egg sit out for like so long. No, seriously. Just we grab it out the fridge and we're going to put it in the pan. Go ahead and crack your egg. And you definitely do not want to crack your egg on a sharp edge. When you do that, it'll actually put the shards in it, or more likely to have shards in it. So if you just crack it on a flat surface, better off. You let it cook at medium, and it's right below the medium heat. If I were doing a sunny side up egg, I would keep going like that so it'll cook through that white, that thick white part that just takes a little bit longer for it to cook through. Someone would say not to do it this way, but this is how I prefer to do it if I'm doing a sunny side up egg. Just so it'll cook through to the thick part. But if you're wanting to do an egg over medium, you can take that egg and flip it in your pan. So take it, flip it. Let's get that over here. There we go. Okay. You can salt and pepper it. Salt, pepper. All right. Let's look at that up close. Okay. Take it, slide it off. Perfect. There's your egg. Absolutely wonderful. Full of lots of butter, slid right off. The key is to use a non-stick pan, but you do not have to use a non-stick pan. You can use cast iron, you can use stainless steel, use the pan of your choice, as long as you have plenty of butter. And that egg will be sitting pretty. And before you start your second egg, take that pan off the burner or reduce the heat a little bit, because you ever heard someone say, my second egg didn't turn out like the first one? Well, yeah, because when you start your egg to begin with, the heat gradually goes up. So when you start your second egg, that pan is already hot. So be sure to kind of take the heat down a little bit before you start your second egg. That's it for frying an egg. So simple, so basic. Fry that egg. Amazing for your family, because 30 to 60 minutes after a workout, you're going to need that protein, as egg whites are actually the highest source of protein. So hopefully this helped you guys. Like, subscribe, whatever your choice is. I just want you to fry a good egg. So have a wonderful day. God bless.